Hello everyone. So if you want to try recovering deleted messages on your Motorola Razr 50 phone, well, first of all, we need to understand that there is no trash option. As for the messages, you cannot restore them once they are deleted. So the only possibility which we can use is to use our backup. So to do that and to check whether you have one, let's open up our settings. Gotta scroll down to the very bottom to your system tab. Here it is. Open up your system tab. Now you gotta choose your backup option. Now in your backup, you can scroll down and check whether you have in your backup details tab, of course, whether you have any SMS and MMS messages saved. So as you see, we do have some, which is a really good sign. So press your manage storage. Now scroll down to the bottom, and as you see on the device backup, we do have some backup. It was just 17 minutes ago, and it's a good sign, and you can press show details and restore it from here. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.